Hello everyone, today I will tell you about my daily activities. My day starts early when the alarm rings, signaling the beginning of new day. After turning off the alarm, I get up, scratch, yawn, and rub my eyes. The first thing I do is head to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face, which help refresh me. After that, I do morning exercise, including some stretching and light workouts. Once I finish, I take a shower to fully wake myself up. After my shower, I get dressed and head to the kitchen for breakfast. I usually enjoy a cup of tea while eating to energize myself for the day ahead. After breakfast, I prepare my bag for class, making sure everything is ready. Before leaving, I say goodbye to my parents, then head to campus. In the afternoon, after my class are finished, I head straight to my part-time job. Once my shift is done, I return home where I take a short nap to recharge. After wake up, I do some afternoon exercise to keep my body active, followed by another shower to feel fresh again. In the evening, I have dinner with my family and then relax by watching TV for a while. After that, I spend time with my friends or my family, sometimes chatting or discuss the later news. Later, in the evening, I study or review my notes from the days, listen and complete another homework or project. Once everything is done, I prepare for the next day. Before bed, I brush my teeth, set alarm, and get ready to sleep. Finally, I go to bed, feeling ready to tackle another day with renewed energy. And now, I will tell you about the good moments and bad moments. My good moments often come from simple but fulfilling daily routines. One of my favorite moments is going to campus in the morning. I enjoy riding my motorbike while listening to music and reading in the fresh cool air. Once I arrive at the campus, the atmosphere is equally pleasant. My campus is beautiful and clean, and the classrooms are equipped with air conditioning, making studying much more comfortable. And in class, I feel happy because my classmates are kind and the environment is never toxic. We often gather and laugh together, which makes my time at campus much more enjoyable. After returning home from campus, I usually take a short rest. Once I feel rested, I continue with one of my favorite daily activities, exercising. Exercise is a moment that I really look forward to every day. Every day I run around 4 to 5 kilometers. In addition to running, and also do push up, sit up, rest up, and pull up to build my muscle mass. Living a healthy lifestyle makes me feel great, and I always make sure to regulate my sleep schedule at night. In the evening, I enjoy spending my time with my family. I will usually play with my younger and older sibling, either playing games or watching movies together. One of my favorite moments is having dinner with my extended family. My mother Cooking is absolutely delicious. And my sibling and I often help her prepare dinner. Spending time with my family is a precious moment for me. As bedtime approached, I always feel grateful for the opportunity to be with my loved one. Now, it's time for me to share some of my bad moments. Once often happen in the morning. When I'm on my way to campus, I often feel frustrated because I get stuck in traffic on the Liliba Bridge, which results in me almost being late for class. Then, during the first break, we only get 15 minutes, so there's barely any time to go to cafeteria. I realize it's my own fault for not bringing food from home. What else can I say? Waking up on time is already hard, let alone preparing lunch to take to campus. When I head home from campus, I get annoyed again because I find myself stuck in traffic once more, especially in the afternoon when the sun is scorching. It feels like the heat is burning through my skin, making the journey home even more exhausting. There are also times when I feel upset because I don't have time to exercise, as it's hard for me to manage my time properly. Sometimes I have stay up late until midnight just to finish my assignment. I'm very sensitive about my sleep schedule because if I stay up late too often, I tend to get heads. Stomach heads. This really frustrates me, especially when I don't get enough rest. I think that's enough about my bad moments in my daily life. Thank you for listening.